Saan ba yun? Fujairah, di ba?
Can I go?
And there's also one zip line.
Zip line?
Nanay will not like that. It's so high.
I like. Wait, zip line? Let me. Wait, zip line. Ay, nulit ko.
6, 7.
6, 7.
And I thought 6'7". 6'7" daw is not good.
Nani said 6, 7 is not good. Okay. Okay, how is it not good?
Basta there's an explanation. I didn't know.
I think the Ellen knows.
Feeling good.
Kaya pag ayaw nyo sa Abu Dhabi, doon tayo sa Kwan. Yung pinuntaan nating nakasimangot si nanay.
Ah,
Oh,
Corfocan.
yeah,
Yeah.
Corfocan.
Yeah. Tapos pati sa Fujairah.
Imo nanay.
Pwede ba punta doon?
Oo.
Tapos paggabi na tayo sa Mission.
Merong kwan doon yung may 5 dirham na entry. Pero park siya
Okay.
doon sa Kwan.
5 dirhams? Just 5?
Yeah.
Talagang siguro magbaon tayong konti para yung kain natin isang beses lang. Pero malupit, no? Malupit. Ay, pwedeng baonin.
Don't be negative kasi if we are going out. Always positive. Para si nanay. Pag si nanay kasi yung may toyo na, wala na.
Minus. Negative
Hanggang
plus
kwan
positive.
na, toyo na lahat.
Roy, may AirPods. Ay,
Wala na, sira na yung buong araw natin pag ano. Pag si nanay yung tinoyo.
Nana is our Wi-Fi.
Wala kayong
If it
wifi.
turns off, we're gone.
Then Tuesday, take rest, no? O Sharjah naman tayo.
Sorry.
Tinoyo si nanay. Wala.
Toyo talaga.
Pwede man tayong
Glasses are
munod ng pyro.
Oh yeah.
Nice, may water bottle there.
Yeah, I think.
Dito
Wait,
lang sa
You know during
EFC.
intramural, while I was
Pero
just
ba't ganun may,
sitting,
may
there are these
entrance?
people who were literally circling
Oo, bakit
around
may
me,
entrance?
and then they all fell on me.
Galing ng lighting ng Astra.
All of them fell on me. And my girlfriend's been like, my glasses won't see that.
Pag si nanay ay may toyo, sira na ang araw
Oh, yeah.
nyo.
What happened to the seat back side?
It's on our bus and it's been broken since last year.
Just make sure it doesn't go on a hard stop or else you're cooked. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, big baby.
Why is this lean up? Can you put it there? Did you lean the chair?
Nanay.
Mimi, kanina. Kasi, maantalin pa
Pull
kami.
it.
But you have to, the lever at the side.
Got it.
Francis, don't forget the, don't forget the lever.
No.
Tagal na rin tayo hindi nagpupunta dito.
Mm.
Manila.
Gusto mo ba?
Gastos.
Now my potatoes next to me. Oh, look, it's a ananas.
Nadaling ko bukas yung ano. Kanina din nila ko din. Nakalimutan ko.
Yung,
Yung tripod.
Wait, you know what? That's the road over there we're taking now. Wait, just wait until we see.
So, hindi tayo Abu Dhabi bukas, no?
No, Abu Dhabi.
Beep, 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 beep. Boy, I did
We will
beep,
try.
beep, beep,
Huh?
beep,
We will
beep,
try
beep,
na.
beep, beep,
We will
boy,
try.
beep,
Pero yun, punta tayong
beep,
Corfrahan.
beep, beep, boy, boy, beep, beep.
We're taking a
Jebel
tour
Rais.
in Tara.
Mahal kasi yung mga hotel. Pwede sana tayo pumunta doon ng gabi. Tapos tulog lang, no?
yes, we will try to pass by that road which is singing, no?
We're
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
go. We're gonna go to.
Ano
Abu
singing?
The
Yung
one
dad-
with the bumps that makes your
Hawakan
car
mo.
sing.
Dhabi. Now, I bet you're in a car and you will go like, let's sing this peaceful song.
No, it's what song was that again? Yeah, we passed by.
Wait, that's-
Saan yan sa Abu Dhabi yun? Saan yan sa Abu Dhabi?
I think of
Fujairah.
Fujairah.
Depende. Pag mabilis ka, mabilis din yung yung ganto na mga kwan.
Sing it.
May tawag dyan, di ba?
Oh,
Ang tawag. Nakalimutan ko na.
Zebra Street.
Is it a
yata.
Yan, di ba? Iba yung zebra.
Ay, di pa?
Is it a paranormal song? How is that a paranormal song? How is it? Wait, night. No, night. Is it an old vibe still not to wrap gifts at night? What?
Oh my god.
I
Ano?
think there's no old wife tales.
Ano?
Sino nga yung kasama nila
Where is?
si, no? Si Randy rin pa.
Night.
Kaya,
Ay, hindi ko alam.
There's an old vibe
pinapakita si
still.
Randy sa picture, you know?
Baka kasama niya Iowa eh. Yes.
There's an old vibe still not to wrap presents at night.
Nan.
Nice. Oh, Nana, X28, go home na.
If just
Go,
one
go,
old
go.
person, if one old person does, then what a present at night. I'm gonna eat peanuts. And what a present at night. I'm gonna eat some peanuts.
Oh, nanay arrive home na already.
I arrive home na also.
Bakit yung kanyo?
Paling yung
Bam 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 bam.
Oh, Nana arrive home. I'm sensitive. I have crazy of you. Remember when all of the UIPSians said hi to me?
It will be a start this marriage. I can't afford a carriage, but you're so sweet and promising.
Baka mo na yung kuna.
Bicycle built for two.
Oh, dito na tayo.
Stop it, what did you find our location?
Don't you even dare play that when I'm just late for Ellie.
Six, yeah.
Why is your...
Can you do it again?
Froilan. Froilan.
Wait, can you do it again, please, again?
Ano?
Wait up. 911, what's your emergency? Wait, do it again?
Di ba siya?
Okay.
Don't trip. Oh.
Maharot.
What you want?
I was spamming na.
What happened? What are you doing?
That's when I want to get Manny to notice me.
Yeah, I turned off na. I noticed you, don't worry. Yes, wait.